Peter 1:10. 2 Peter 1:10. Make your calling and your election sure. And you will not fail. 2 Peter 1:10. Make your calling and your election sure. You will not fail. What's going on, my high vibrational, individual expressions of God on earth? It's your boy, Dr. Will Rogers, a.k.a. Master Teacher 33. Make your calling and your election sure. Jude 1:1. Jude 1:1 talks about C.P.S. C.P.S. is not Child Protective Services. C.P.S. is calling, preservation, or to preserve. S, sanctify or sanctification. C.P.S. One of the things that I've been doing, fortunately by the grace, mercy of the big G, is tapping into my frequency, my calling. You see, where purpose is not known, abuse is inevitable. I learned that from the great Dr. Miles Monroe, the late great Dr. Miles Monroe. You see, my brothers and sisters, your calling and your election, that's what we want to call, or what I call, your identity. Without that, without calling, without understanding your election, without understanding your purpose, without understanding your destiny, without understanding your innate, born, predetermined, pre-wired algorithm, DNA level, Christ in you, we have this treasure hidden in earthen vessels. Christ in you. Christ represents the Christos. That's the Kundalini and the Kundabuffer. That's the Ida and the Pingida. That's under understanding how your biology is being animated by God's theology, which comes down from universal cosmology. You are cosmological, theological, biological being. Your ability to understand that you are in this world. But boo-boo, you're not of this world. You are in this world, but you're not of this world. You're not from here. You are here, but you're not from here. So you can't act like you can't use the system that is here. You got to use the system based on where you came from. Since you came from spirit, since you made the image and the likeness of spirit, you must use spirit to control mass and matter. You must use mind to control matter. Mind over matter. You are the supreme commander of over 37 trillion cells in your body. The last book that I just completed, that breaks down the C.P.S. framework, you want to pick that up, it's only $49. The new book talks about how to use your calling. The Greek word, one of the Greek words, that gives us the English word calling is kaleo. Kaleo means that your name, the attributes and characteristics of your name, especially the vowels in your names, A, E, I, O, U, sometimes Y, that establishes the feminine energy, the creative aspects of your nature. If you look at each letter in your name, according to the etymology, the linguistical etymology of the English word calling, one of the Greek words is kaleo, which means your name establishes your name. I've been doing name reports for 30 years. 30 plus years. Never bumped into one person after doing thousands of these who did not agree with the meaning, with the power, with the significance, with the accuracy of a diaconia or a name report. If you don't have your diaconia report, 50% off, you know what to do. Go to the website, dearcanaryreport.com, or email me, drwillrogers33@gmail.com. Pick up your Dear Canary Report today. That introduces you to your calling. Make your calling and your election sure. You cannot fail, according to 2 Peter 1:10. Make your calling and your election sure. I do calling reports. I write books, do shows, do audios to assist you with being the highest version of you based upon the letters inside of your name and the day of entry or your date of birth. My brothers and my sisters, it's always an honor and a privilege to be able to break bread with you while I'm doing my morning cardio. 2 birds with 1 stone. Y'all know how we do. This is your boy, Dr. Will Rogers, a.k.a. Master Teacher 33. I'm at the top grinding and shining. Come join me, brother. Come join me, sister. Let's go. No more play. Holla at your boy.